In 2015, McDonald's released a new product that turned out to be a massive disaster. They thought fans would love the new McCorn dog, but the reason they did not will shock you.
But first, like this video if you think this dog is cute. This poor dog is really suffering. He is in pain, and no one helps him because they find him disgusting. If you are a good person, leave a sad emoji in the comments and subscribe. Then 10 million angels will pray for your family. Share this video so the dog can be saved. Then finally, the McCorn dog was banned from all McDonald's.